We're back with another Do You Even Try On haul. Hey guys, it's Angwi. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some new pieces from Do You Even's XL range. They had the XL range before, but now they're dropping a new XL range. Actually features a new thin strap crop along with a thick strap crop. Those words are so hard for me to say today, so bear with me. There's going to be 4 new colors: sherbet orange, black speckle, sky blue, and tan brown. And then the old colors in their range are black, gray, marl, ruby red, and pastel pink. And before we get into this haul, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram as well. We're about to hit 20K over there soon. And by soon I mean like 1,000 more followers, but you know that's kind of soon. But now that we have all that fun stuff out the way, let's get into this haul. So quick disclaimer, I already want to let you guys know I did step out of my comfort zone with this color because I don't really like color all that much, and I'm actually digging this now that I have on. I think it's kind of cute on me. It does really remind me of sherbet ice cream. So I'm just gonna give you guys a full 360 spin like I'm a game character. You know, let's get that going. So you guys can see everything. It is their XL series. So like I said, the waist isn't as like snug as it is around my thighs. There's some room here, but again, I think they do that for sizing purposes because even though I'm an extra small, somebody with like a bigger waist than me could also still be an extra small. The band is a thick band, as you guys can see. Just scoot closer for the crop so you guys can see that, because this is their new thin crop, and I think that the color is picking up a little better as I'm closer to you guys. So there we have this, and it is adjustable. Right now it is pretty tight on me, I'm not gonna lie, because I didn't adjust it all the way. For me, I think that I would make it go like, are my hands ashy? Ew. Okay, I will make it go like right there, so I could not have it be as tight and have it still look okay. But I'm okay with the fit, but I would probably loosen it up a little bit. Also, there was padding in here, but I hate padding. Like, if you guys have seen my last hauls, like I always take it out because it just looks weird to me sometimes. It just fits me better, especially since I got an extra small. If I got a small, I would leave the padding in. Do I have a butt in it? I mean, the set doesn't come with the butt. You have to have one already, and I don't think I do. So if you have a butt, I'm sure this will look banging on you. Okay, so I've just applied to my body. That is such a weird way to phrase it. So I've just put on the blue set. This is the exact same thin crop and XL shorts as the sherbet orange set. 360 it up for you guys. And I did loosen the straps on this one, feeling way more comfortable. The last one was just like a little bit tight because I didn't loosen the straps. I took out the padding again. So this is just for you guys to look at the color because this is the exact same as the other one. And I did forget to mention that their range is going from extra small to extra large, which is actually a first for them, and I'm super excited for that. Being more body inclusive is a really good thing. My size and everything today is an extra small, and it'll be up on screen, but I just want to say that because recently I've been watching hauls and people are not telling you guys their sizes and they're not putting them in the description, and I'm like, how does that work? Because we're doing a try on haul for you guys not only to see the colors and how it fits on our body, but also like if you're the same size as that person, you can eye that person and you look the same size. You're gonna want to know what size they're wearing just so you can get it too. Like, it makes sense. So yeah, my size is the extra small in all of these, and this is actually looking really good on me. Like I said, the waist is not as tight. I don't know, it's just giving me like more room to breathe, but I don't really mind it because you're not seeing like there's a gap or anything. Oh, maybe that's because I was like sucking it in. Wow. Well, that's how I stand anyways, like this. So yeah, you see, still fits regardless. Okay, I was pushing that time, but yeah, it still fits regardless. Next set that I'm excited to try is the thick crop. So that's something different than what I have on now. So we're gonna put on the black, and we're back with the black, looking slim, looking smexy. If you guys didn't know, black actually like slims your figure. I don't know, I've heard it somewhere before and I think it's true. looking cute, looking bright. This is the thick crop. I'm gonna scoot up because the shorts are the exact same. I do leave my padding in this thick crop because it's a different type of style. As you can see, there's no way for you to adjust it, so I just find that I like the padding in here. It gives me a little bit of a boost, but I do like this thick crop as well. It's just giving me a different vibe. And the shorts are the exact same. I don't know if it's the black that's doing it for me, because black is a fantastic color. Black goes with everything. It'll go with all your shoes and whatnot. But I'm liking this a lot. I can tell that I'll wear this a ton just because I like black, and who doesn't like black? Really digging this high-waisted biker short style that we have going on today. These 3 sets I'm fitting in. I didn't mention that they're high-waisted, but you guys can tell they're high-waisted, right? Like my belly button is covered and everything. I don't think I like work out with my belly button out. Like everything that I wear is high-waisted. And I feel like if my belly button was out, that would, I don't know if I would like that. So now I'm trying on this pink set, but with the leggings instead of the biker shorts. So again, 360, so you guys can see what I'm working with here. Same racerback crop, but the difference is I have the leggings on. So when I was putting this on, at first I was feeling very iffy because like I was telling you guys, the waist is not as tight as like the rest of it. Like they're giving you some breathing room here. But now, I don't know, now that I put it on, I'm walking around, I don't think that I mind it. I think that these leggings are flattering because they have this line action going on. The stitching right here is visible, so I think that's actually like showing the natural curve of your body, how it's supposed to go, which is why it's flattering. And you have some on the side here as well. You have some on the side here as well near your leg. I'm gonna turn around. My booty is looking flat today, so we have some work to do, but this is what the back looks like. Pretty normal. Again, side, side, side. And this is where they go to me on my leggings. I always pull up the fabric since I'm short until like it fits. I feel like on a taller person, there won't be like this room here because you don't have to do that obviously because you can fill out all the fabric. But yeah, I'm a 5'1" person and I'm fitting these. I was nervous at first, like I've never had such a full like bright like top and leggings, like bam, pink, it's in your face. Especially like on my skin tone, it like really pops. But I don't think that I mind this. I still would have loved to get this legging and crop in black, but unfortunately the black was sold out in my size. I've never had the XL legging before. They're very like bungee-ish is how I would explain it. Like they're really stretchy, they're form-fitting and tight, but yeah. So it's a cropped hoodie and a matching pair of shorts, and they have these, and I think like a couple different colors, maybe like 4. But I chose black because, I don't know, black goes with everything, and I can mix and match the shorts and the cropped hoodie with different like sets and stuff like that. So I definitely wear the hoodie to the gym. I do like working out in hoodies. I just never wear like shorts like this. So I think this is also like a really cool like lounge set. Super comfortable. You could run errands in this. This is like a thinner one, so it's not like really thick like their other hoodies. I have their gray one, which is like really thick and comfortable. So this is a thinner, lighter material, which is why it's like more flowy and it's cropped. So yeah, those are my thoughts on this. So that's it for this Do You Even Try On haul. You guys got to see me try on their Excel series and their Freedom set, and I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. You guys got to see me looking a mess today. I came to you guys wearing barely any makeup and my hair is not done at all. But I hope you guys still found this haul informative, and yeah, go ahead and enter my 30K subscriber giveaway. I'm at like 32K now. Bless up. You guys, yeah, keep subscribing, keep joining the fam. Next milestone is 50K, and I'm excited to reach that. And thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
And the tones the big lord.